Hi, today we're going to show you how to mix your Got-P Odor Eliminator into ready-to-use solution with your trigger spray bottle. So we're going to take the concentrate, and if you see there's a black line, that's the fill line where you put in your concentrated product, and then we're going to fill the rest of the bottle with water. See, it's filled up to the line with concentrate. Next you fill water. It does create bubbles, so I just kind of squeeze out the bubbles so I can. Alright, and now we've got our ready to use solution. Just put your spray nozzle back on and